In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business address in Stripe. Whether you're relocating your business or simply correcting an error, keeping your business address up to date in Stripe is crucial for seamless transactions and accurate account management. Let's walk through the process together and you'll see just how simple it is. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Stripe's website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply enter stripe.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, direct your gaze to the upper right hand corner where you'll find the sign in button. Give that a click and let's move on to accessing your account. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Remember, these credentials are what you typically use to access Stripe. If for any reason you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, but hopefully you have it at the ready today. Type in your email and password and then proceed by clicking the sign in button once more. Now that you're in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. From here, find the Home tab, which should guide you to the main control area of your account. Next, we're heading to the settings. In the settings, you'll discover a host of configurable options. Specifically, you're looking for the account settings section. Within account settings, locate the business tab. Clicking on this will expand a series of features related specifically to your company's profile within Stripe, including your business address. Next, you'll want to click on business details. Here, you may be prompted to provide business details if you haven't entered any previously. Make sure all other fields are accurate and complete, as this will ensure smooth transactions and communications with Stripe. Assuming you've already provided your business details, you'll now see a pencil icon located next to your current business address. Click this pencil icon to edit your address. It's a straightforward process. Simply erase the current address and input your new address or corrections. Double check for any typing mistakes, as accuracy here is important for all banking and customer communications. Once you're confident that your new address is correct, look for the Save button. It's essential to click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Upon saving, your updated business address will reflect in Stripe's system. If everything went smoothly, you've successfully updated your business address. And there you have it, a quick and easy process to keep your Stripe account up to date. Remember to always double check your details for accuracy, as this can prevent future headaches and ensure you're always getting the most out of your Stripe experience. Thanks for following along, and see you next time for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.